been. I ain't seen the sunshine since we played on the red eye. Stuck in Folsom Prison, that time keeps dragging on. But they say keep the rolling, I had the silence. I was just a baby, my mother told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play the gun. You're a shot at a Reno, just to watch it die. If I do that losing your soul, I got it.
So with that, ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Grand Canyon Railway, and we're off. So you may want to look to the left-hand side just in case, and notice that we have professional waivers to see us off this morning. I should warn you all, this train going through Williams is the most exciting part of the day here. So if you weren't here, these folks would be waving at the fence. There may be more of them, so make sure you wave back. Peace, make it good for them. They can just barely see your silhouettes through the windows of this car. Well, again, good morning, everybody. I'd like to introduce myself just real quick. My name's Caleb. I'm going to be your passenger service attendant today. So it's PSA for short, or just ask and receive. If anybody has any questions, needs anything, you name it, well, you just let me know, and I'll be glad to take care of it for you. Now, you may hear me pick on Williams just a little bit, but that's because I've lived here pretty much my entire life. I know a thing or two about the area. My specialty happens to be how to best utilize your time up there at the Grand Canyon. So especially if you have questions about shuttle buses, tours, walking paths, forging the Colorado River, whatever it may be, don't hesitate to ask. No such thing as too many questions or a bad one.
I find it very, very easy to be true. I find myself alone when each day is through. Yes, I'll admit that I'm a fool for you, because you're mine. I walk alone. As sure as night is dark and day is light, I keep you on my mind both day and night. Happiness, I know who's headed to life, because you're mine. I walked alone.
Früher mussten sie noch die Leinwand aufziehen. Das ist ja nicht so schlimm. Ja, auch alles. Understand?
one final thought. Since we are at 7,000 feet, it's not about how many moments you have in life, but how many moments take your breath away. I know that's kind of a bad joke, but take your time, enjoy, take it easy out there. Hopefully I'll see all the 4-3 Feast team that are coming back with me today. There's the canyon, everybody. While I'm at it, if you're looking up the hill, that is the Bright Angel Lodge that has the bright red cabins. To the right of that building is going to be the Thunderbird, then the Kachina. El Tovar is where we stop our train. Where we're pulling in just a second is the Massawick Lodge. And before we all get off of this train, I'll have a question for you. Other than that, everyone, I hope you have a great time out there. Thank you.
No, she's busy anyway, and she won't answer her phone.
I called my sister and she didn't answer.
Yeah.
Right hand side. You want to see that boat?